Hello everyone, so I just finished building a superhero website using pure HTML, CSS and Vanilla JS. So it will help you meet your favorite superhero virtually. Here's a demo of the same. This search engine is a real-time search engine which has JavaScript on its back, and here as I'm searching Iron Man, since it is already added to my favorites, I can remove from favorites or add to favorites, and I can click on know my superheroes to go to the details, and this is the details card which has the power stats in percentage, appearance, biography, work, connections, and basically a biodata of the same. So since already it is in my favorites, so I can go to my favorites, and here the Iron Man card appears. From here I can go back to the know me, or I can remove it from my favorites. So this is how it works. Next, onto the code. So my code is structured as the script files, the assets file, and assets and styles, and 3 HTML for all the 3 web pages. So starting from the index HTML, so every HTML page is structured like in the body there is a header, then there is a main. The main contains, in case of a home page, it contains a search input and some animation. So the input ID is input name, which I am using in scripts index.js here to get the input name, and here I am using input name.keyup function to make an API call every time a new input is there, and once I receive the JSON, I am calling the create card function to create different divs for images, for the show details button, for the favorite icon buttons, and I am appending all classes and IDs to them, and finally I am appending all the divisions to card. So then there is a favorite button and details button, to which I have set attributes, and there is a on click function which helps when the results appear. So you can either click on the favorite, go to add to favorites button, or go to details button. So here this function will detect it whether you have clicked a favorite button or a details button. So it accordingly, if you have clicked the favorite button, it will add to favorites, or if you have clicked details button, it will redirect to the details page. And then there is a snack bar function which handles the appearance of visibility of the snack bar. Then the details page is structured in a similar way with header, and then there is a main. So this main part of the body will be having different divs for power stats, for appearance, for biography, for work, and similar other. So the details.js basically uses get element by id to get all the divs, and makes changes to them, makes text changes, like there is an API call which gets the JSON, and once the JSON is received, it sets all the inner HTMLs, and there is a on click function which is to manage the heart like the favorite icon. So you can either remove from favorites or add to favorites. I've used proper comments for them, and the show snack bar function, like similar, manages the visibility of the snack bar. Then there is the favorites, which has mainly 2 things in the body: the header and the main. The main only has a favorite card container, so all the appends are being done in favorites.js. Here favorite list is maintained, which is being get from the favorite list local storage, and it is being passed, and for every element of the favorite list I am calling create card to create different cards of the same of the favorite list, and I am adding images and details button and favorite icon to it, and this favorite card on click manages which card is being clicked, and accordingly goes to the details of the same. And here again I have a show snack bar function. So this is how my code is structured. Thank you.